When I was a child of 2 or 3, I used to bang all the biscuit tins, and they found out that I have some taste for this rhythm, and they bought me a small mridangam. Music was there in my house from my very childhood, so I was able to listen to music always. In those days, you had these small gramophone records. So in most of the records, my guru had Palghat Mani has played. So I used to listen to them. And when I listened to them, I had a special attraction towards it, special fascination towards it. We got news that Shembai Vidyanatha with Chaudayar Mani are going to perform in Trichur at Pungunam Ramanami Utsavam. So we went to Trichur. The concert was at 9 o'clock, we were there at 5 o'clock itself, with food and all that, everything ready. So when the time approached, they slowly, Shembai came, Chaudaya came, my master came. After returning to Burma, the sound of the mridangam was simply always reverberating in my ears. Always when I sleep, when I eat, always it was simply, I was hearing that sound. I was then 8 years. Last ship to India will be leaving on such and such a date. After that, there won't be any ship going to India. So my father decided to send us back to India. After coming to India, I learnt under Tinjya Venkataraman for a couple of years. Grandfather's friend said, you must not leave him here, you must take him to Palghat Mani here. I said, can we approach him? Is it possible? No, I will arrange it for you. Then we shifted over to Tripurayar because of the evacuation thing in Madras, and finally we switched over to Palghat. First day when I went, they were all playing cards. I never thought I will get a lesson from him. And when our friend told him that I have brought them here, he said, oh, I see. Then he went home and came back, asked us to come the very next day. The same thing repeated itself again. Next day, then a small development. He said, asked to bring an instrument, asked me to play. After that, he said, what am I to teach him? He is playing everything. There is nothing to teach in this. He has to just listen and play. When he said that, I was a little, disappointed, because I thought he won't teach me. That's what my feeling was. I didn't know. The next day, he asked me to come, and K.V. Narayan Swami was in Palghat then. He came in the evening. He asked him to sing, and he and me played double mridangam together. He taught me how to accompany, how to build up a taniyamartham.
Sadari dari di dari 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 sadari dari dari ni dari 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 madani ni dari 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 gavarani mahavarani pavadani Dani Dani Ram, Nini Nini Ram, Sagari Dani Ram, Sagari Dani Ram, Sagari Sagari Dani Ram, Nini Ram, Sagari Ram, Baba Dadari Nini Ram, Sagari Nini Kadavani Nini Kadani Baba 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 Baba
Study is my first priority, according to them. But for me, I was not interested. I was just waiting for an opportunity. When I finished my school final, I thought my teacher will come to my rescue. I just went to him and told him, I have finished SSLC. So what? What do you want to do? Don't think of discontinuing studies. It will stop by itself. You don't stop it. 1944 was the first year I played in the academy. My teacher told them, my student Raghu is playing, give him an opportunity this year. In those days, you had only 3 sessions, afternoon 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock. 3 o'clock, Shatur Subramaniam, Tiruvarangada Sundaresan and myself, junior. Next year, automatically they promoted me to the night session, Dwaramangal Saminaidu, 1945. 1946, evening session, Alathur Brothers. If you play well, you get automatically promoted. Those were the days. I played for Raman Jayangar, Alathur Brothers, Madhuramani here, Shamamudi Srinivas here. All these concerts I was playing quite frequently. But GNB, it didn't occur to me. I didn't get an opportunity to play till 1948. See, whenever he gave a telegram, I would have been away from home. By the time I gave a reply, someone else would have been fixed. I didn't get an opportunity to play for him for 2 years. I told my teacher also, I have not played for GNB. Everything will come at the appropriate time. Don't be in a hurry. That's what he said. And the first concert with GNB, I found him very tense. But by the time the first song was over, he was a completely converted man. He was so happy. And after the concert, he told me, I had just returned from the north. My voice was very bad. I was a little tense. Don't mistake me. See, I'm so sorry. You played so beautifully. I felt that your teacher is playing. The support I get from your teacher, I got from you today. So I will frequently call you. You must come and play for me. From there started a relationship which I cannot, it's more than a relationship, so close. Then he used to say, Lal Gudi and Raghu are just like my 2 eyes. He has said that.
உங்கள் காம்பினேஷன் ஜெயன் சார் கட்சியில்
அந்த ஏஜ் கோல்டன் ஏஜ், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கோல்டன் ஏஜ் இனிமேல் பார்க்க முடியாது. ஒருக்கா ஜீன் சார் தஞ்சாவூரில் காரைக்குடி குஞ்சிகிராத்து கல்யாணம், அங்கே வந்து ஆமாம் எல்லா திருவிழிமலை மாலம் ராகவ பிள்ளை எல்லோரும் உட்காந்துருக்கா. நான் காலேஜ் பரீட்சை எழுதிவிட்டு கிட்டப்பா சாராத்துக்கு வந்துருங்க மத்தியானம் 12 மணிக்கு. ஜீனி சார் சாப்பிட்டு உட்காந்து பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கார் கிட்டப்பா சார்கிட்ட. என்னப்பா அவ்வளோ லேட்டு அப்படின்னு கேட்டார். பரீட்சை எழுதிட்டு வந்தேன் அப்படின்னு. சரி குளித்து சாப்பிடு அப்படின்னார். எங்கள் வாத்தியார் எனக்கு அந்த கச்சேரிக்கு 2 மிருதங்கம் வச்சுருக்கார் அந்த கச்சேரி வாசிக்கிறதுக்கு. சிரஞ்சீவி ரகுவிற்கு இத்தனாந்தேதி கல்யாணத்து கச்சேரிக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு. நான் அதை சாப்பிட்டு முடிஞ்சு விட்டு அதை வச்சு பார்க்கலாம் இவரை விட்டு நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். என்னப்பா கல்யாண கச்சேரி தானே பார்த்துக்கலாமே, கொஞ்சம் ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்குவேன் அப்படின்னார். நான் என்ன நினச்சேன், இவா பேசுறதுக்கு இடைஞ்சலாக இருக்கும் போல இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிவிட்டு நான் பேசாமல் இருந்துவிட்டேன். சாயங்காலம் கச்சேரியில் போய் உட்காந்தோம். கச்சேரி போய் வர்ணம் பாட ஆரம்பித்தார். தொப்பி புசுன்னு விழுந்து போச்சு. அடிக்கணும் ஏற மாட்டேங்கிறது. என் மனசு விட்டு போச்சு. இவர் சொன்னாரே நானும் கேட்டேன், நான் செய்யறது தப்பல்லவா அப்படின்னு நினச்சேன். உடனே அவர் என்ன பண்ணார், அங்கே தான் அந்த ஜீன் சாரை இன்றைக்கி நான் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க வேண்டியது. அந்த வர்ணத்தை சீக்கிரம் முடித்தார். முடிச்சுப்புட்டு பலஹரி ராகம் பாடினார். ரொம்ப நாள் பாடினார். அதாவது நீ மிருதங்கத்தை மாற்றிக்கிறனா மாற்றிக்கோ, டைம் தயாரேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பலஹரி ராகம் பாடினார். மிருதங்கத்தை மாற்றிக்கிட்டேன். பரிதாரம் மிஞ்சிதை பாடினார். கச்சேரி அப்புறம் ஓஹோன்னு ஆகிடுது. கச்சேரி முடிஞ்சு நான் அவரை அழாத குறை அவர்கிட்ட போய் இந்த மாதிரி என்னப்பா ஆகிப்போச்சு, இப்போ என்ன இது அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட்டு தானே, நான் தான் சொன்னேன் உங்கள்கிட்ட, அதனால் என்ன ஆகிடுது இப்போது, வர்ணத்துக்கு அப்புறம் ராகம் பாடப்பா இங்கே ரூல் இருக்கா, அதனால கச்சேரி சோடையாக போச்சா, எனக்கு சாரின்னு கட்டி போச்சுன்னா நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன், இப்படிலாம் அவர் சொன்னாரே தவிர அந்த அந்த மாதிரி மனுஷால பார்க்க முடியாது. 1960 Bath Festival. See, originally I was not in the list. Bismillah Khan was there. At the last moment he said he is not coming. So the Yehudi Minihan has heard me here. He said, I want a percussion, why not you? He mentioned my name and Dr. Narayana Menon asked me whether I can come. That was my first concert. Then in 1963 I went to Edinburgh Festival for a percussion ensemble. M.S. Subbulakshmi, Bala Saraswati, Ravi Shankar, Ali Akbar Khan, they were all there. Ravi Shankar was arranging a festival in Los Angeles, Hollywood Bowl, with Indian music night. Ali Akbar Khan, Bismillah Khan, Ravi Shankar, Allah Raka, North Indian music. We have met in Edinburgh and myself and Allah Raka have some good sessions there. So remembering that Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ravi Shankar said, you are all here, I say I am celebrating an Indian music night here. Indian music is never complete without Carnatic music. You should come, you should play a percussion duet with Allah Raka. He said, yes, I will come Panditji, but I have come with K.V. Narayanaswamy. So I would also appreciate that if he also performs there, I will play a percussion ensemble at the same time accompaniment. Carnatic music. You know? He said yes, and he arranged a concert there. And after listening to that concert, that World Pacific Records, they wanted to have a recording. So Panditji said he wants a recording. I said, I am leaving for India tomorrow evening. We will finish it in the morning. He is very eager. It's good for you also. He said yes. So Panditji was there. George Harrison, Beatles, he was there. It was a concert tour for about 2 to 3 months. See, myself, Ramani, Dorsami Iyengar, we 3 people from the south. Visa, everything got cleared for me, but not for Ramani and Dorsami Iyengar. So it was getting late. I have signed the contract. So I said, I will go. You see, you can follow me. Somehow or other, they didn't get the visa clearance. They didn't come. I was alone there. Whom am I to accompany? I was just wondering what happened. I told Panditji, and then he said, Raghuji, why not you accompany me? You play percussion duet with Allah Raka and accompany me with Allah Raka. I said, I will try. I have not. Oh, you can do it. Why not you do it? There the Jugalbandi started. There is no blackboard teaching here. You see, they just put a foundation and ask us to make us create something new. Daily they expect us to do something, create ourselves. That they start from the very beginning, motivate us to compose from the very beginning itself. That's how you get different styles. If I come across a bright student, I might get scared of him. He is going to come, what am I to teach him? Whatever you teach him, he is ready for the next lesson. So, such a student I must be scared, I must be very well prepared, scared of him. It's a challenge. Similarly, a dull student, in whatever approach you make, it is difficult to make him understand. Means you find out some way or other, devise something, approach it in different directions and find out a way. And in that you get new venues. When I was in Palghat, in the month of December, they used to have this bhajans throughout the village. Villages, not one or two, 3 or 4 villages. How can you expect the mridangam player to carry the mridangam for 4 villages? His back is over, finished. So, what they will do is, in every village you will have some guy with some little layagyanam, lakshigyanam. They will give a genjira to him, you keep tala with that. So when they sing, most of these ashtapadis will be in 7 beats, slow 7 beats. This fellow, he doesn't know what 7 beats or 8 beats, whatever it is, he will just go on with his Lakshyasanas, he will be accompanying. He won't be an hindrance to the singer. But after the Ashtapati, they have to end the Ashtapati, isn't it? When they end the Ashtapati, ta 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 ti ti ta ti ta, they will stare at him, look at him, come on, finish. He doesn't know how to finish. You see, the bear, it will climb the tree, but it doesn't know how to get down. It will close its eyes and jump. Similarly, this guy, if they stare at him, he will find out something. Tum 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 ta. He will finish like that. This tum 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 ta started ringing in my ear. This happened at 5 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock students will be coming. I will be teaching them. But this was ringing in my ear. It was just banging in my ear. So I just thought I should do something about it. I refined it, confused it a little, and I made it pakka. And in the month of December, when I came to Academy, Narayan Swami's concert he was playing, he sang a song and I applied this. Many musicians came to me, sir, you played something new. It was fantastic. I said, my guru is that Gajra player. So raw material you can get anywhere. You see, it is for us to collect it and work on it. Can adapt any style so long as there is truth in it. Somebody went and complained to my teacher, he is playing, sir, he is your student, he is playing so many other styles. Immediately my teacher asked them, okay, did he do anything false, anything untrue? No, you are. Then what? Truth, whether it comes from anywhere, what if? Let him play. He likes it, let him play. You should play. My teacher didn't play the way he was taught like by his teacher. It was, he mixed Chandai, he mixed everything. He completely revolutionized the art of playing Mridangam. How? Because of his imagination. Unless the heart comes there, you won't get life into what you are playing. That's it. They always will be in my lap, Abhishek and Anand, listening to everything. And after I do a concert, these two fellows will take that Mridangam and start a concert at home. They will have a Jugalbandi at home. So that used to be the atmosphere.
எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் முன்ன வந்து சிஏடி, கேட், பிஏடி, பேட் இப்படிலாம் பாடம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தது கிடையாது. ஒரு பேஸ் போட்டு கொடுப்பா, போட்டு கொடுத்து பில்டிங்கை கட்டும்பா, கட்டி ஆகணும். அதனால் ஃப்ரம் த வெரி பிகினிங் அந்த மோட்டிவேஷன் எங்களுக்கு உண்டு பண்ணி விடுறேன். நாங்கள் கம்போஸ் பண்ணி ஆகணும், நிறைய கச்சேரிகள் கேட்கணும், நிறைய பெரிய விரிவாளோட கச்சேரிலாம் கேட்டு, கச்சேரியிலேருந்து திரும்பி வரத்தை வெறுங்கையோடு திரும்பி வரக்கூடாத, ஏதாவது திருடின்னு வரணும். வித்தைக்கு பேரே திருட்டு வித்தைன்னு பேர். அதனால் இன்றைக்கி அவன் வாசிக்கிறதுல முக்கால்வாசி என்னோட கம்போசிஷன்ஸ் தான், 95%.
My greatest award, I will say, the Sangeeta Chudamani Award, Krishna Gana Sabha, that was my first award. They informed me about the award. I didn't reply. Then they telephoned to me, "Sir, your teacher is going to give that award to you." Nothing doing, he will never do that. A teacher will never give an award to his student. We have got the letter. Let me see the letter, I said. I saw the letter. He has written. Immediately I said yes, unconditional. That was my greatest, because I am getting it with his blessings. To me, he was like God, you know. I was not just seeing a human being, I was seeing a God. When I sat with him as a student in his concert, I was the proudest man in the world. I felt nothing to equal me. That was my feeling. Such a great man.
We, the President and members of the Music Academy Madras, and the members of the expert advisory committee thereof, now assembled in Sadas, do hereby confer on you, Vidwan Palghat R. Raghu, the Birudu of Sangeeta Kalanidhi. As a mark of personal distinction and in token thereof, we hereby present to you this Birudu Patra and authorize you to wear the insignia presented to you herewith. May it please Almighty God to give you long life and strength to carry on your work for the advancement and propagation of this art of all arts, Indian music. President, the Music Academy, Madras.
My standing before all of you could be ascribed to the divine instrument Sogasuga Mridanga Talamu, the Mridangam.